Hi, this is Dave from Dandy App. Thank you for taking just a few minutes to learn more about what MyFitnessDJ can do to help you be an even better indoor cycling instructor. Start by downloading MyFitnessDJ from the App Store. Most of what you see in this demo can be done in the free app, but I'll highlight a few features of Power Pack and Studio Edition, which are available via in-app purchases in the Tools section. I'll tap Add to create my first playlist. I'll call it Dave's Faves. The description field is a feature of Power Pack that lets you add a detailed description of your ride so that you can easily locate it when you want to use it again or just to help you remember the intent or the focus of the ride. Next, I'll add some tracks from my music app library to get the playlist started. Anytime one or more tracks are added, the option to assign a preset is presented. If more than one track is added, the preset is only assigned to the first track. I'm going to choose the 2010 intervals for this first track. When I play this track, I see the current cue and countdown timer to the next cue, and I can also see playlist timers and progress bar, that's the thin blue line just under the track name, and the track timers and progress bar. Now, if you're saying, if only I could have a glimpse of what's to come next, it would make me seem like I have magical powers, and you are right. So let me show you a feature called Cue Look Ahead. Turn it on after activating Power Pack and Tools, right here. And then, like magic, the next cue text and color display just under the current cue. Going back to my playlist, you can tap Edit and reorder the tracks or swipe left to delete. So now I'm going to add some cues to another track. The track starts playing when I select it, and since it doesn't have any cues, I have the option to tap and hold the cue area or just to tap Presets to add my new cues. I'll choose the ORO preset, which uses the under-over-under threshold pattern. It's a good time to point out that the MyFitnessDJ cues can be used in many ways. So, for example, this threshold pattern could guide riders in perceived exertion, or watts, or heart rate, or cadence thresholds. Sometimes the default cue times work great, but other times you may want to adjust cues to sections in the music to be more effective. Let me show you how easy that is. I'm going to listen for just the right time to start the first under threshold effort. I select the cue as placed by the preset, then tap Set to Now to change the cue to the precise time in the track I want it to show. I'll do the same now for the first over threshold cue. Set to Now. Adjusting just a few cues can make the whole track feel perfectly timed. Going back to the playlist now, wouldn't it be great if I could get a visual of what was going on in each track? That's where ticker tape comes in. It's another feature of Power Pack, and I'll turn it on so you can see just what a difference it makes. Now the track name in the playlist and the track progress bar in the play screen display a color ribbon. It's built from the track's actual cues. See how the under thresholds looks? It gives an amazing way to see the cues of one track, but it also gives you in one glance a notion of what the whole ride is like. Now let me show you how easy the music discovery workflow is using MyFitnessDJ's integration with the music app. Now I want to add a track to this playlist, but I can only remember a few lyrics. So I'll switch from MyFitnessDJ to the music app and type in the lyrics. I find the track and let it play. Then, when I switch back to MyFitnessDJ, I have the option to add that track to my current playlist. How could it get any easier? I know lots of you like to match feet to the beat for your rides. It's a great motivator when done right. So let me show you how MyFitnessDJ can help. First, I need to make sure MyFitnessDJ knows the beat per minute of the track. The Auto Detect Beat Per Minute feature of Studio Edition works on any track that is purchased and is on the device. You can verify that by looking in the track list. You should not see a cloud next to the track name, and you should not see the lock icon when the track list is in edit mode. Now, there's no cloud or lock on this track, so Auto Detect should work just fine. You can see that I'm able to select from a few beat per minutes, and I just choose the one that matches the RPM range best. But even if Auto Detect isn't available, MyFitnessDJ gives you an easy tap to the beat option for tempo tools. I just listen to the music and tap every time my right foot would hit the bottom of the spin, like this. MyFitnessDJ calculates the tempo, and then I can assign it to this track. So when I go back to the track list, I see the beat per minute that is assigned to this track. Once assigned, I can turn on Always Show Tempo in Tempo Tools so that my RPM is always displayed at the top of the screen. I really love this track, but the RPM is really just a little bit too slow for my regular profile. Wouldn't it be great if I could change the tempo? Well, you guessed it. It's no problem for MyFitnessDJ. I can swipe up or down on the play screen for real-time tempo adjustment, or I can set a tempo change on any cue of the track. If I want the whole track to play at a new tempo, I just set the first cue to the desired tempo. Now this track is slow climb ready. Once you've queued up a track just the way you like it, remember that you can easily reuse your work. So you can either mark the track as a template, then anytime you add that track from your music library, the cues you've already perfected will be assigned to that track. Or you can copy-paste a finished track from one playlist to another. You just tap, hold, and copy the track in the original playlist, then tap, hold, and paste on the track just before the spot where you want the track to appear in your new playlist. So that's about it for this demo. I've always wanted MyFitnessDJ to be the best tool for indoor cycling instructors. I hope you will use it, and I hope you will let it help you be an even better indoor cycling instructor. Thanks for watching.